Today in this video we will learn about how to solve index.php's corrupted error in WHMCS. If in case you are installing WHMCS and this type of error comes, then in that case your index.php is not up to date as per the Ioncube version. This problem usually occurs when you are using incorrect version of Ioncube Loader. Take a full website backup before proceeding to the solutions. Solution number 1 would be to update your WHMCS to the latest version. If this did not work, then in that case proceed to next solution. Log into cPanel and then go to Multi-PHP Manager. Now change various PHP versions and check one by one. It should work in some or the other PHP version. If this also did not help, then the third solution would be to have root WHM access. First of all, check your PHP version. For that, go to Multi-PHP Manager and then you can clearly see your currently activated PHP version. Now log into WHM root and then go to software section. Now click on Easy Apache 4. Now click on Customize. Now go to PHP Extension and search for Ioncube. You just have to enable Ioncube latest version, that is Ioncube 10 for the same PHP version. Now click on Next and then tap on Provision. After following all these methods, 99% of the issues can be solved. If there are still some issues due to some other technical faults, the fourth and the last solution would be to enable older version of Ioncube Loader. Follow the same method as previously and then click on Provision.